take a look at this orb. Was seen by Mary Bentley in Little Rock, Arkansas at the Little Rock Air Force Base. Date July 26, 2021. Now look at this. I'm not sure if this is an orb or a solid substance or form or ball or whatever this is. But this is very unique, I would say. Normally light orbs emanate light, and I don't see light emanating from this one. It's moving sporadically. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna need someone to explain this. So if you know, please leave it in the comments. Unanswered Universe.